So guys, this is our first video, so we'll start with the introduction of insurance. Insurance is a protection from any uncertain event. Example, if a building is an insured building and due to earthquake the building is collapsed, the insurance company will give an financial help to the insured for reconstruction of that building. Insurance is generally divided into the two types. First, life insurance. Second, general insurance. There are 5 types of policies in life insurance: term insurance policy, money back policy, whole life policy, unit link co-investment policy, and pension policy. But initially we will focus on only a general insurance, then we will talk about the life insurance policies. General insurance divided into 4 types: fire insurance, marine insurance, miscellaneous insurance, health insurance, and motor insurance. Fire insurance is a property insurance that provides an coverage for the loss or damage to a structure damaged or destroyed in a fire. Marine insurance covers the loss or damage of ship, cargo, terminal, and any transport by which the property is transferred, acquired, or held between the point of origin and the final destination. Miscellaneous insurance is referred to the contracts of the insurance other than those of life, fire, and marine insurance. It covers an varieties of risk. Health insurance is a type of insurance that offers an financial coverage for medical expenses in a case of medical emergency. A motor insurance policy offers an coverage to the insured vehicle against the financial loss due to an accident or an resulting from other damages. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query about these topics, you can ask a question in comment box.